What's up guys, Jenny from Locked In Off-Road, and in this episode we're working on Cody's GQ. Let's go! And then you can't find it open because it's too high. Oh well. Alright, I'm in the back of Cody's GQ Shorty, and today we're doing sound deadening. We got the Carbuilders sound deadening kit. So I'm going to start with the easy part. I've already bought it out with a Milwaukee blower, so I got rid of most of the dust. And I'm going to hit it with some wax and grease remover with a rag, and hopefully I don't pass out from the fumes. Let's get into that now. I'm going to start on the front so we can get the seats in. So we can clean all this off. And then we'll start sticking some stuff down. I'm going to try to lay the first sheet of sound deadener down. Look at that, mate. They even give me a knife to cut this. Alright. So the sheets are this big. That's good, that makes it easier. I was worried they were longer than that. So we'll just be slapping these down. Something like that. Move this out of the way. So the sheets seem to fit in pretty well this way, so I'll do it like that. And Cody reminded me about 5 times to make sure I remember where the bolts are so we can put the seats back in. So I'll try to remember it. Can't make any promises. I've got the 2 sheets sitting in there like that. They fit pretty well. I'm going to start off by pulling off the first gear, and then stick that down. Peel that back off. And I can see the bolt holders there, so I'll try and mark it with a screwdriver. Let's do it. So we have the bolt holes. First edge is stuck now. Get these handy little roller. Roll that in there. So we'll keep going with that now. Pull. Roll. It's so easy, mate. Even a Toyota owner could do it. The rolling pin thing, we got this end and we got that end, like that, and then this one comes into the creases and the corners, and you do that, sit in nice and tight, like a tiger. I'll see you when this is done. B-roll. B-roll. I'm going to chuck this last panel on the floor. Then we've got in here to do, and we'll put some up the sides. And then we've got the sound deadening mat, or what's that one called?
Mass noise liner.
The mass noise liner, which is black and it just goes on the top of all this. There's me drink. Because we overlapped some of them on this.
You overlap none of them.
You're not supposed to overlap them.
You're neat. Look at this shit. What is that?
that's you won't see that.
Who's that?
You're not going to see it.
I will see it because I'm not putting anything else in here but Carbuilders sound deadening.
Yeah, it's going to go over the top.
Over top of what?
Mass noise liner.
You're a mass noise liner.
What's it called? We'll just cut it around. Oh no. We'll just cut it around afterwards. You need to put a whirlybird in the roof of this car. It's hot in here.
It's not.
In the car it is. It's not much airflow going on. Oh, I didn't even clean this.
Can't overlap.
I'm gonna not. Dirt. I'm not gonna overlap, alright? It's gonna sit in there like this. I'm gonna come into the corner like that, mate. See that?
Can you see the screen?
Okay. It's pretty hard though. Jam it in there.
Rips.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's a lot of curves in this part.
There is. Maybe that's what's hard.
No, I'm just like flattening it.
Oh, they're standing there right above you. Let's cut it from there to there.
Oh, this is
Then pull it back. Click. Yep.
oh,
It's a self-retracting one, so if you slip it doesn't go from the top because it's harder. You just
I can see the line. Visualize it. We just need this to go down.
need to flip that down.
Then we're going to cut out around that piece. And I'll have to cut this the same. Roll that down in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps out the channel. Click the link here or in the description. Check out some of those videos and remember, stay locked in.